Many of us know what this is. It's definitely a very simple item, but can't really live without it. A nice roll of 2-ply toilet paper. And we are going to destroy the toilet paper today with our magical drill press. So, it has gone, we are hot, and we are ready to drill into this poor little roll of toilet paper. It has penetrated the first, and now the second section of the toilet paper. Looks like the drill bit is not long enough. Let's go through the other side of this. There it is. We have penetrated the toilet paper. As you can see, it has sort of altered the paper on the roll. But nonetheless, it is intact and ready to wipe your ass.